Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make your flat ready for Airbnb hosting. Before listing your flat, start by cleaning it thoroughly and make sure the bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, and living areas are spotless. Clean the floors, wipe surfaces, and remove clutter so the flat feels open, fresh, and welcoming. Next, focus on furnishing and essentials and ensure your flat has a comfortable bed and clean linens. Provide towels, basic toiletries, and essential kitchen items. Good lighting, reliable Wi-Fi, and proper ventilation are also important for guest comfort. Once your flat is ready, log into your content reference OS site 0D index =0 I1010 and click on Switch to Hosting. From here, choose the options you prefer and follow the on-screen steps to complete the listing. You can also customize booking preferences such as instant booking, minimum stay requirements, and cancellation policies. These settings help automate reservations and make hosting more manageable. After reviewing all your details, publish your listing and keep your flat well maintained. Responding quickly to guest messages can help improve bookings and guest satisfaction. And that's it. We just learned how to prepare a flat for Airbnb hosting by cleaning and furnishing the space, creating a listing, and using host tools to manage pricing and bookings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.